So this is my 2005 CLK320, and I'm gonna make a video, probably gonna end up being a two-part video, about upgrading the command unit on it. So let me show you what I mean. So the factory system on this car, obviously this is 2005, so you're talking about something that's already 14 years old. Let me close the door here, so we got... But basically, the head unit has a couple of things. So it's got a built-in DVD player, and it's got a CD changer in the back, but it's also got a CD player in the back. This is how the unit operates. Here's your CD for audio and your DVD. So the DVD player is used specifically for navigation, and obviously you can't play videos or anything like that. I think in Europe you could actually do that, but it's illegal in the US, so they kind of disconnected that system here. Also, it's got built-in navigation, which
calculating route. You have reached your destination.
There you go. I'm here. Not everybody knows where I live. In any case, it's got you know, basically your presets for radio. It's got your telephone command, your keypad, navigation, telephone. That's basically it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade this unit to an Android unit that will have the capability to parallel your phone. You could download any Android apps like Waze or Google Maps, anything like that. So the DVD that's in here was actually updated in 2013, but that's a lifetime nowadays. So that's the plan. So I'm gonna walk you through this process. Obviously, the first step I'm gonna do is unbox the unit that I got, kind of talk about the unit itself, and then part two will be the actual installation, where I remove these trim pieces to gain access to the head unit, and then how to do the installation. So this is a little bit different than what I usually post on YouTube. It's not about my mini truck. I have videos for that coming up soon, but I figured I would tackle some of these other projects in the meantime. Alright guys, so this is the unit I ordered. It's from Seicane.com. I will actually post a link to the website and to the unit. They carry a lot of stuff from Mercedes, but also for their makes as well. So overall the experience was very good as far as the transaction was concerned. I basically sent them an email asking, hey, this is the car I have, the model year, which unit fits my car, and they sent me a link saying we recommend this one. So after that, I went ahead and I made the purchase. They said, send us a picture of your unit, of the dashboard. So I did that, and then they said, also, can you send us a measurement? So I basically measured the, it's kind of a trapezoidal shape, so I measured the overall width on the top, overall width on the bottom, and then the height, and in millimeters. And they basically came back and said, you know what, we actually made a mistake. This is the one you should get. It's more money, but we're gonna keep it at the same price. So overall it took about maybe a week and a half, but not in shipping. Shipping probably took 4 days. It was shipped via DHL, which was cool, instead of regular mail. So basically, this is the box it comes in. Just says car audio on it, and no branding, actually, no Seicane branding. So let's see what we have here. So it's got some QR codes, I guess, for their website. It's got a warranty card. So here we have some, you know what, let me unbox everything and then I'll go through what's in the box. So let's see here, there's another box here. And here is the head unit. So this is basically supposed to have a complete OEM fit. Once it's installed, it's supposed to look like it's an OEM unit. So what I'm liking about it, there's no Seicane branding anywhere, so that will be perfect. It'll blend right in to the Mercedes interior. You know, I didn't want it to have any like weird branding other than the Mercedes, so it's better to not have anything. No, looks like the buttons feel pretty much like factory. A little bit of a soft touch buttons, but you know, these rotaries feel a little bit less quality than the Mercedes unit, but overall it still feels pretty good. The buttons feel pretty much the same. Looks really good. Actually, looks just like the factory unit, except for this style here. On the factory unit, it's more like a joystick. And let's see what else we have. So, what I like about it so far is there's not a lot of cables, so I'm hoping this is going to be an easy installation. Audio video. Digital TV receiver. I guess if you want to get into a car accident, you can watch TV while you drive. Some these look like antenna cables. Oh, this is all for TV actually. This is the mobile TV receiver and antennas and a remote control. So let's see what's in this box. Okay, here we go. This is the equipment. So it came with tire pressure monitoring. So it comes with TPS sensors, 4 of them. Let me just see, tire pressure monitoring system. So that's one of these things this unit does, is also has the ability for you to get a tire pressure monitoring system included. The car doesn't have one from the factory. And I guess this is the receiver. Connects via USB. It's pretty cool. Vehicle waterproof camera. So this is the backup parking assist camera. So it's got a, if I could take that out, auto video, I guess it's just video, wiring, and a tiny little camera. Gotta figure out where to mount this, that you get a good view when you back up. So pretty complete system. I mean, it was not cheap. I think overall this, I paid $920 for everything, including shipping. But if you're like my father, who drives this car most of the time, he's the kind of guy that'll keep a car forever, so this is perfect for him. Oh, this is actually one of the coolest things. You connect this to the OBD2 sensor connector, and it transmits via Wi-Fi all the diagnostics from the engine to the system. So you could check your fuel pressure, water temperature, exhaust temperature, basically anything that's monitored by the factory ECU. You could get a live read, which basically you could have like an extra gauge cluster. And this is the installation harness. So it has, looks like it has a harness to connect to the factory harness, and then connects to the new unit. So this video is going to be just pretty much an unboxing video and showing you the car itself, and then the next video will be the actual installation. Now I'm thinking it's just gonna be 2 videos. I'm hoping the installation is gonna go pretty smoothly. Maybe the camera, I'm not gonna be able to install the tire pressure monitoring system unless I have the wheels removed and reinstalled, so that might be another video. But as far as installing the head unit into the car itself, I think we could accomplish that. So here's the first harness, second harness, I gotta read the instructions. I don't know what these are for. This looks like an antenna, probably for GPS. Some fiber optic connectors, some USB connectors. This is antenna. This is a GPS antenna actually, so this must be the radio antenna. And then this is a CAN bus decoder. So for those of you not used to German cars, they have a CAN bus system. So the electrical system is very sensitive to tinkering. So you always need a CAN bus decoder to allow other stuff to interact with the factory unit. So the great thing about this is it's got like a parallel system. So basically, even though you can run it as an Android and it shows you all the things the Android does, you could flip back to the original Mercedes unit. And also this is a touchscreen, whereas the other unit is all with the wheel to select and then press wheel to go down through your menus and then press down to select. This is actually going to be a touchscreen, so it's basically going to be bringing this old car, 14-year-old car, into the modern age. So the next video, like I said, is going to be the installation. So I'm gonna try to make more videos about other stuff other than just the mini truck. But the mini truck project is still alive, and I'm still gonna do a bunch of stuff to it. And probably the next video is gonna be the mini truck. So thanks everybody for watching.